let's make this beef and potato saute that my mom makes all the time. I don't know if it's considered Middle Eastern or what, but it's delicious and it comes together in less than a half an hour. I start out by cubing my potatoes into like 1/2-inch cubes. Make sure to wash them thoroughly and dry them if you're gonna air fry them because they come out crispier. I did avocado oil and salt, and then I air fried them like 20 minutes or so. Then I sauteed the beef. I'm using ribeye, again, also cut into tiny little pieces, like less than 1/2 inch, like 1/4 inch, and brown them. Once they've browned, add some oil. I did avocado oil, seasoned with salt, black pepper, and 7 spices. That's what makes it Middle Eastern, I guess. Then you add your fully cooked potatoes, and then just saute it for like 2 more minutes so you can get it coated with all the spices, and then serve it with pita bread, pickles, ketchup, hot sauce, whatever your heart